I got the GAN Megaminx. I just want to say thank you to Dailypuzzles for finding this and sending it to me, and also this little amazing pouch. Very cozy, I'll review that a little bit later. But this is the GAN Megaminx. Basic box, just white logo on the top, and a lot of plastic, so we're gonna have to use my scissors to grab them. No, they're too thick. Oh, I need a pen or something. I don't know. You know what? We can actually use this. It's so amazing. To just stab in there. Oh my goodness, I am so genius. My IQ has gone up. People, if you are too lazy to get a knife when unboxing a cube, use your loot tip. It's just amazing. Or if you've lost it, don't bother. But too much plastic, bad for the environment. But I guess, what are you gonna do? Ugh. Again, just make your boxes easier to open. But here it is. That's pre-opened. Oh no, it's already started to turn. I'll open that later. That went over there. Let's see what's in this box. I think I already know. It's just nuts and the. Oh, this is a different material to the blue ones. Oh, so gangster. But I like the feeling of this GAN one, and it just looks much cooler than the blue ones. But instructions on how to solve a Megaminx, who cares? I already know. That's why I got it. Haha. GS nuts. I got them with my GAN 251, so I know what they are. That was already open. Let's just close this. I'm probably not going to be able to open this again, but whoa, it's open. I definitely didn't have it pre-opened. Okay, let's feel this. Kind of feels like the 11M Pro or my one. Very matte, but better tensioning. I swear that was not intentional. I have not touched it. But out of the box, it is very loose. Let's do some turns. Whoa. I don't know how to review a Megaminx because I only have one Megaminx, and that's the G something. I can never remember its name. But it's in my mains and goals for Steady Swanborn. But this is definitely my main. I will probably just get it, compare it, but corner cutting, that's past 45. That is just reverse, easy. Can it? Oh, it can't do 45. Oh! I think that's just regular. It is perfect. It's amazing. But yeah, I think I'll just compare it to my G. But I overall love it. Prefer it over my G. That I can never remember its name too. But yeah, I can definitely feel and see the concave. Compared to like. As I got it out, well, I couldn't really feel it as much, but it is definitely there, but you can definitely see it if you just, I'm not sure if it's coming in, yeah, you can see it with the reflection from my light, but yeah, this is overall just amazing. It probably does need some setting up. Oh, it's small, and it's really light. I could probably use this as a tennis ball. I don't think guys, I'm not encouraging you to get your GAN Megaminx and play tennis with it. It will damage it. It cost me $80, but that's in Australian dollars. It's, I think, 50 in US or something. But yeah, expensive. Don't use it as a tennis ball. But it definitely feels like it is a ball. But it came in a ball case. Honestly, the case looks like it's a planetarium. It should be in a planetarium, yes. But this is just amazing. My review is, if you have the money, get it. Probably just get something else. Maybe, from what I've heard from other cubers who do Megaminx, they like the GAN, not GAN, they do like the GAN, but Diane. Get the Diane. I thought about it, I just wanted to get GAN because I love GAN cubes. But I didn't see this. Kinda looks like a credit card, but I'll use it to purchase my next GAN Megaminx, I guess. I don't think you can. I just threw it out. But just wanna say, use Dailypuzzles to get your GAN Megaminx if you're from Australia, cheap shipping. But now onto the second segment of this video. The Dailypuzzles pouch, or whatever they want to call it, cube bag. Feels amazing. Feels like there's really nice jumpers you can get. I would just say move this logo to the center, because even on camera it looks uncentered, because it is. Like, the center, from looking at it, should be here. Like, maybe move the eye to where this is. But I love it. Can it fit the GAN Megaminx? Easily. Amazing. Honestly, it's bigger than it looks, so on, like, Dailypuzzles it looks very small, but here it just is huge. Let's see if it can fit my 7x7 in there. Here's my 7x7, it's the UFO, but I don't do 7, so anything is good, that's cheap. Can it fit? Can it fit? It fits. Officially, guys, this is amazing. I'm not sure if it could fit like a 10x10. I would probably say it could fit maybe up to 10x10, but anything bigger will just be insane. But also, just want to mention again, shop at Dailypuzzles for these two amazing things. This is $5 and this is $80. And again, these prices are in Australian dollars, so they may be different if you're in a different country. But yeah, these are amazing. I'll probably do a few solves on this after setting it up, probably with the yellow GS nuts, because that's what most people use. I used it on my 251. It's alright. I would say get the GAN Megaminx if you have money. But yeah, just please subscribe, watch the solves, leave a like, stay tuned, because I will be doing an amazing feat. I will be releasing maybe 3, but 2 videos at least on this channel in one day, and that is filming and editing. So please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video, which I know what it is. But yeah, I will see you next time. Bye. After using the GAN Megaminx for about a month now, I found that it is perfect, but I'm not not sure if it's the best Megaminx, because I've only had one other Megaminx, which was bad compared to the GAN. I've broken a few PBs with it even getting a 248 in competition, a video coming out soon on that competition. The corner cutting is amazing, going a little beyond 45 degrees, but reverse corner cutting is just as good, just not 45 degrees. The color shades are good, and I can tell where the pieces are, which in my opinion is good for bigger puzzles such as Megaminx, 7x7 and 6x6. After a bit of setting up and breaking in, it is perfect to turn, and for smooth movements, it is really light and small. My overall verdict is buy it if you have the money, which is 80 Australian dollars. But if you don't, maybe get the Diane, but my overall opinion shouldn't go towards your choice of buying it. So if you want a better choice, go watch some other reviews from more professional Megaminx solvers. Just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and share with all your friends, and shop at Dailypuzzles. Thank you.